Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials, sheets installed and signed in. Tap the app to open a file. If you need a template, choose New Spreadsheet. Once opened, enable editing by tapping the pencil icon. This unlocks the toolbar and keyboard shortcuts. Import a CSV or Excel via the file's icon if your data lives elsewhere. Make sure drive permissions are allowed. Use two-finger tap to select cells quickly because efficient selection speeds up the next steps. Now you add and structure data. Tap a cell and type, or connect a Bluetooth keyboard for faster input. Start formulas with equals and use built-in functions like sum, if, and VLOOKUP. After typing a formula, drag the small blue handle to propagate it. This saves manual entry. To keep the sheet readable, apply number, date, and conditional formats from the Format menu. Make sure header rows are frozen with the View options. Once done, review calculations visually before moving on. Finish by collaborating and exporting. Tap Share to invite people, assign editor, commenter, or viewer roles, and copy a link for quick access. When you need a file off the iPad, choose Share and Export and pick XLSX, CSV, or PDF. Check Print Preview to confirm margins and scaling. If changes don't appear, first toggle Drive Sync and force close the app, then reconnect Wi-Fi or sign in again. If issues persist, clear cache by signing out and back in. That usually resolves sync errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.